Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Detergent tablets should always be placed in the detergent dispenser compartment. If you're placing the tablet at the bottom of the dishwasher, it's likely that it will dissolve too quickly, releasing the detergent during the pre-wash and leaving no detergent for the main wash cycle.
Take our lead.
Ultimately, it seems clear that tabs and gel packs deliver the best overall package of cleaning power, convenience, and reliability, as long as you don't mind paying a price premium. Powder is a good, and inexpensive, second choice, while gels should be your last resort. 23 January 2019.
Take our lead.
The best dishwasher tablets. Fairy All-in-One Platinum Dishwasher Tablets. Best dishwasher tablets all round. Fairy Platinum Plus Dishwasher Tablets. Best dishwasher tablets for short cycles. Finish Dishwasher Tablets All-in-One Max Lemon. E-Cover All-in-One Dishwasher Tablets. EcoZone Ultra All-in-One Dishwasher Tablets.
Let's help you make your mark.
Remove the tablet from the package. Most tablets come individually wrapped in a plastic bag. If the tablet is wrapped in a plastic bag, remove that too. Place the unwrapped tablet in the main dishwasher detergent dispenser and close it. Make sure that all the items you're going to wash are actually dishwasher safe. 6 April 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.